Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Hello, allemaal, ik heet Nova and welcome to Study with Nova. Today, this is like a simple code that we want to make a short something lah. I wanna show you how to solve this question, but somehow let's try to read the questions first. This is the program filereader.py. In this book we have like filereader.py. We have just like to read the text. What is the text? It's about a p digits. You know, p digits is 2020 per 7. That for p 3.15 and etc. in this section, and then we use line, and then we using split lines, and then we can skip the temporary variable and loop directly over the list that split line returns. But I wanna show you how it's work, and then we can remove the temporary variable from each of the program in this section. We have like 3, I think. File reader, and the second one is p string, and then the third one is p-birthday.py. We want to make a short like this, 4 line in content split lines. So let's try. First, intent one. Okay, as usual, we want to import from path lib. Import path here. And then path as variable, and then we can we can know about path here and p digit .txt. So you must download the first. You must download p digits.txt first. What is p digits in txt? I want to show you like this. This is just only like 3.15, but here in the 3 line, the first and the second and the third line. So this is the p digit.txt. Okay, and then the as usual, because we have like path here, we want to just read because we don't want to write, right? Because we have like p digits.txt here. Contents as path dot what do you mean? Read text here, read text here. So this is to just read the text. Then we have like lines to what's the meaning to split lines to split one by one as usual. And then for here we get 4 line and that. Yes, like this, and then print. Okay, let's try. Then 3. Yes, we got it. We know, but and the output is as expected. That like this. Okay, but we can make it simpler to delete. I don't want to delete, but just like this here. Here I don't want to delete here. I'm gonna control X here and then here. And how to write 4 line in contents, right? That's split line, okay. And then print line. Is it true? Like this. Okay. Yes. So you can. This question is just what the meaning? I just to make short from here. As usual, you can change to just only here. That's all. Actually, this is the first one. This is 3 code actually. So this is the simpler code p digits.txt. The second one is p million digits. Okay, let's try. This is first. I don't wanna to first p digit. The second one is what p million digits. So here you just same, but I wanna show that the path is not p digits but p million. I think here p million. I wanna show you how is it p million digits. Wow, like this, amazing. So actually we have like the million digits p, right? Like this, so many. Okay, so here I wanna change p million digits .txt here, and then we just read read text here to read your text, all of this actually. Okay, then okay, what's different here is lines as usual. I want to show you the first lines, like here, the first one, like this code is to split lines actually. Split lines here, and then okay, and then using for, but I wanna string, but here the number is we change to the meaning. The maximum is like 50 decimal, because this is too many too many numbers. And oh my god, I wanna change to make a string like this. Okay, let's try. P string is the variable here, make a variable, and then same like before for line in lines here, and then is p string here is to add from the line dot l strip here, and then just add the print here, and then f p string here until 52. So the maximum is like 52 decimal here. If you want to add here 52 numbers, 52 yeah, and then how the length, print line and from length, and then is p string here. Okay, let's try Python 3 as usual. Number 3. Okay, so we got it about p string until 52 actually, and the line of the p string is like 1 million. Oh, yeah. So here we have like this for line in lines, p string and line strip, etc. We want to make it short like before, like here, right? So I wanna change, make it, how to make it short. Wait a minute, somehow I forget how to make it so lines is mean here. Okay, it is same for, okay, using for, and then line for line in p string plus, wait a minute, wait a minute, for line in contents dot splitness is like same dot splitness here, print line. Is it true? Wait. No, it's not. It is same actually. So for line in context dot splitness here, then you just add here. Hey. Okay. The string is add to for your line and for the ls strip. Okay, let's try. I think no, it's not iterable. So wait a minute, for line in content dot split lines. Oh, wait a minute here. Okay, good. So this is our second code for million digit. Yay! And the third code is about birthday. Wait a minute, is your birthday containing in p? Is your birthday is in containing in v? I mean, like maybe like my birthday is 7th November 1994, maybe like this, and then there are numbers like the same with my birthday, like this. So here the last code, about is your birthday in p million digit. I think that's the question. This is our last code actually, so bear with me. Okay, but the meaning, okay, we have like here actually we have like a p million digit here, and then we have like a path, etc. Because I don't want it, but I wanna birthday as your input. Enter your birthday in the form mmtdy space. Okay, if birthday in p string here, print birthday in the first digit of p here, and then else in your birthday million digit of p here. Let's try. Maybe 5. Yo, there are no first million digit of p. Wait a minute. I think I don't want to add here. Actually, there. What's the meaning? This is our code here. Path and p string actually here. And because I have like delete, okay, let's like this, because it is same from the part 2 from this code, the second code, because we don't change anything actually. Maybe 12, 7 and 1990. Oh, nee. 7 and 9 3 9 4. Oh no, there are no in digits. Yes, that's all for these questions. This question just only to make a change. For here, this code lines content split line through just only 2 line. Changes here through here. And the second code is the same here, so make it here. And the last code is about your birthday, so this is same with this code, so I just wanna add here. So that's all for this creation. Actually, this just to make short the code, but I think it's okay if I actually prefer using like this content and then one by one like these lines, because I think it's more readable than I'm just jumping here like this for and contents and split lines. I don't know. What do you think? Do you prefer here like this, or do you prefer here like this? So yep, share in the comment. I want to use it as well, alright? So my GitHub. What the meaning? What's the keywords? Okay, let's try another question. Bye.